What's going on, kid family? Thanks for checking back in. Today's video is going to be pretty ghetto, but it does work, so check it out. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can get some extra horsepower pretty much for free without adding any kind of aftermarket exhaust or intakes on your Civic. This is how we're going to do it, guys. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe below, hit that bell icon to see what's going on. Alright guys, as you know, this is the factory intake with the R18 motor. So what happens is, filter goes in there, this is rerouted down to the bumper through a milk jug, and then the intake air would usually come in through here. So what I did for this car is I adjusted it so my intake is pretty much like a cold air intake. It's getting air from the lower part of the bumper of the car instead of grabbing air from the corner up here, which would be more likely to be exposed to the warm heat from the engine. So you definitely should be getting colder air in here. And all I did, as you guys know, in the corner here in the bumper, there was a big box. We all call it a milk jug because it was pretty much resembling something like this. So the air would go in, filter through this. It wasn't even filtered because there's no filter in here, but the air would travel through a big gallon container here, and then the air intake would grab air from up there. But we got rid of that milk jug. I don't have it with me, but it's a big black box that used to sit right here. I chopped that off right there, and again, we are getting much cooler air for the engine with this modification. And again, it's not low enough where it's going to hydroplane your engine, and you're still using the factory airbox, the factory filter, the factory MAF. You're not changing any diameters of the piping. So this is a free mod. Your ECU will love it. It won't throw any codes. It won't throw anything out of adjustment, again, because your piping is the same as your factory piping. So if you guys are interested in freeing up some horsepower, definitely I would recommend this mod. It's free, it's cheap, and you've seen it here. Bully Kid. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Again, check out my other videos in the bio. I do a lot of do-it-yourself and mods for the 8th Gen Civic as well as some other cars. Thank you for watching.